To deposit money from a cryptocurrency platform to a bank account, start by opening the platform's app or website and navigating to the My Assets section. From there, scroll down to view all available assets and select the cryptocurrency to be transferred or deposited. Next, click the Sell button and enter the desired amount to deposit or sell. Then, choose the local currency, such as a Euro or GB Pound wallet, or create a new wallet for the local currency. After selecting the local currency, review the order and click Place Order to convert the cryptocurrency into the local currency. Once the conversion is complete, click Done and find the local currency in the account overview. Select the local currency and click the Cash Out option. Then choose the bank account to deposit the funds into, either by selecting an existing account or adding a new one. Enter the desired deposit amount and review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Finally, confirm the transaction and click the Cash Out Now button to complete the deposit. By following these steps, the money will be successfully transferred from the cryptocurrency platform to the bank account.